Rainy day today, as you can see. What better thing to do than just work on videos? Alright, like I said the other day, I needed to go get a filter for the tractor, and I want to show you what the old one looks like. Where is it? Alright, this is what the old one looks like. Now some of it is just grime, it's not necessarily the inside that is dirty. He kept the gas actually pretty clean, but you know, compare that one to this one. See the difference? So anyway, unfortunately I don't have my tripod with me, but all I'm gonna do is I just put this temporarily in there to stop the flow of gas from the tank, and I need to just pull it, and I need both hands, but I'll show you in a second. Alright, so as you saw, the fuel came in from the bottom and went right through the filter. There is no leak, so it works great. Today's plan is pretty simple. I have three things to do. First of all, I need to change the spark plug and air filter for our push mower, just regular maintenance. Then I need to get back and do just a little bit of work on this. Specifically, one of the blades underneath is loose, so I'm going to lift it up and fix that. And also in my car, the fan for the AC is beginning to squeak a little bit, which is actually just a blower fan inside. So it seems, I've never done that before, but it seems it's pretty easy. There's just a few screws that it drops down, and usually people replace it. I am going to try to, because it's making very little noise, I'm going to try to lubricate it and see if that works out. Okay. I don't know why this one was hard to get started, but whatever. Just barely tighten. All right, that's good to go. Not bad, not having started in months. Third pull. So I'll lift it right here. Yep. Just kidding. I had already tightened it and I forgot about that. But let me show you what I found out. I don't know if you remember that old wire that I said it was crispy. See here, it's crispy. I went back and I was going to unplug it, and then I realized it really is crispy. So I'll have to find a way to disconnect it here, cut it, most likely rewire this, maybe go all the way up. I wouldn't mind trying to take this off and cleaning it up too. Okay. So here's my plan. I unfortunately do not have a different plug, and these are completely fused together, and I'm not sure I really care to go get a different plug. So what I'm going to do is, I see that here is about the cleanest part of the wire, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it here, cut it below this plug. I don't know if you can see that, and just crimp some wires together. I need to go again. I don't have yellow, but you know, I don't care. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of attach them. So I'm going up to, this is the best part of the wire. And yep, very crispy. I'll cut this just a hair shorter because I don't need it to be quite that long. Unfortunately, I don't have the right tool for crimping these. But the vice grip did well. Let me do this side too. Okay. Do this one. I don't do car things very often, so I don't have almost any tools. Most of my tools are very basic. Okay. So last thing, I need to go get me some tape. Alright, so this will keep them together, and it will also kind of close the opening so humidity doesn't get in. Alright. Turn on. They're awful, but they turn on. So I'm gonna try to take this off and clean it up and maybe find the light bulb for the left side. Not too bad. Cleaned out the glass. Put new light bulbs in. It's a lot less yellow now. It's more amber now. Very excited. Thank you for watching this week. Before I let you go, let me show you here. The power washer and the weed eater that I had is gone. I gave it to, he's a car mechanic, and I gave it to him for free. He's a guy from our church, and I asked him if he wouldn't mind helping me a little bit with a bit of car trouble that I have. So we might make a, if you let me, might make a video of that one of these coming weeks. But everything that I said to do is done. Next week I'll show you a little bit of what I did with the car, but this video is getting to be too long. So please like and subscribe and come back next week so we can look at what I did with the car. And then the week after that, I think I'm going to go back to finishing up a couple little things left at the house, because the weather is beginning to finally warm up again, even though we've been having some rain. See you guys next week.